All right, I think crypto is going back into a bull market, and Bitcoin could even hit $50,000 this year. So we're going to look at that and what this could mean for Terra Classic. So let's go straight into the charts here. All right, so first off, we have Terra Classic here, and I think this was the bottom of this downtrend for Terra Classic here, and we are now starting to form a slight uptrend. I think the price is probably going to go sideways for a while longer, and then eventually we'll see a big move up. So I'm not saying tomorrow we're going to see a big pump, but I don't think we're going to be going any lower. So probably go sideways for a while, then we'll see out of nowhere there'll just randomly be a huge pump. That's how it goes. It's going to go sideways till everybody's super bored, nobody's paying attention, and then there's going to be a huge pump. So the people who stick around and pay attention, they're going to make the most money. That's how it always works in crypto. The patient get rewarded. So these are the best times to be accumulating Terra Classic, and not just Terra Classic. Every crypto right now is pretty much an amazing time to be accumulating. So if we want to see another huge pump for Terra Classic, Bitcoin I think is going to have to go back into a bull market. So if Bitcoin pumps, it's going to allow everything else to. So let's look at Bitcoin, see where that's headed. So Bitcoin, I think, also hit its bottom back here, and we are now seeing the start of our 3 years of bear market, or bull market. We already had over a year of bear market. I think we're starting our 3 years of bull market. It's been, every bear market has hit its bottom after about 12 to 13 months. That's exactly what we're seeing here. So that lines up perfectly. We have a bullish divergence here on the weekly, and we're starting to see that play out. So I think we're going to see crypto going up quite a bit this year and over the next 3 years. And if we look over at this chart here, we have the 200-week moving average, and every bear market hit its bottom. When the price hit this 200-week moving average, that marked the bottom of the bear market. We saw it back here in 2015. And every time we hit this line, we see a big bull run afterwards. So in 2015, we came down, bottomed out, hit the line, saw this massive bull run. 2019, hit the line again, saw a huge run up right after that. March 2020, hit the line, huge bull market. And right now we are back down at this line again. So we should see a nice bull run coming soon. All right. And also, if you look at the RSI on the monthly, we have never been this oversold before. Never. Bitcoin's never been this oversold on the monthly. So we are due for some massive moves to the upside. Everybody's screaming bearish. Bitcoin's going to 10K. And just like back near the all-time high, everyone was screaming Bitcoin's going to 100K. Guess what? It never happened. Now everybody's screaming Bitcoin's going to 10,000. Probably not going to happen. All right. And I'm going to show you guys how Bitcoin, or why I think Bitcoin might actually get to $50,000 this year. All right. So let's go back to the last bear market. If we pull out the Fibonacci retracement tool from the high to the low, after we hit the low, we hit this 200-week moving average, we saw this big pump, and where'd we go up to? The golden pocket here, the 61.8 retracement level, hit it pretty much exactly, and we've seen this actually, I believe, after every bear market. So we hit that perfectly. Now let's take the same Fibonacci retracement now from our high to our low, and if we see the same thing happen again, if we hit the 61.8, the most common retracement level, that would put us at $48,800, just under 50K. So that's why I think we could hit $50,000 this year. And yeah, that marks perfectly with this, we should see this resistance level should be some strong resistance there. So yeah, I think that could happen this year. Conservatively, I think we'll hit 30,000, but if things go well, we could actually hit 50,000. All right, so let's get rid of this. So there you go. Could be a big year, especially if the Fed pivots or U-turns and starts going the other way with interest rates. We should see some massive pumps. All right, so here in the short term, I think on the daily here, we can see we're having a bearish divergence forming. So we may see in the short term, we'll probably see a retracement here, maybe down to 21, maybe even 19,000 before we see another move up. So I think likely to see something like this where we come down, maybe retest this previous resistance that we broke through, retest this support, strong support at 19, and then get a bounce there, and then maybe head up to 30,000 over the next few weeks or months. So yeah, we'll see what happens here in the next few days. Just been going sideways. We'll probably see a breakdown here soon. But yeah, if Bitcoin does indeed pop off into a bull market this year, then the whole crypto market's going to pop off. Everything's going to pump. So great time right now to be dollar cost averaging into your favorite coins. If Bitcoin pumps this year, Terra Classic should see some nice gains as well. So we'll see what happens here in the short term, if we just keep going straight up, or if we're going to see this likely retracement before we head back up. We'll see what happens. So stay tuned, guys. Good things are coming, and thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.